Greetings, everyone. I am Cadet Chabra, and I will be introducing you to the last chapter under health and hygiene, that is Introduction to Yoga and Exercise. Right? So, this is quite a long chapter, so I'll be dividing it into 3 videos. So, let me start with the first video now. Yoga is commonly known activity for physical, mental and spiritual disciplines which originated in ancient India. Yoga is one of the 6 orthodox schools of Hindu philosophy. One of the most detailed and thorough expositions on the subject are the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Various traditions of yoga are found in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. The outline of the chapter will be Part 1, Historical Perspective and Purpose of Yoga. Part 2, Potential Benefits of Yoga for Adults. Part 3, Potential Problems. And Part 4, Asanas. Part 1, Historical Perspective and Purpose of Yoga. Pre-philosophical speculations and diverse ascetic practices of first millennium BC were systemized into a formal philosophy in early centuries AD by the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. Hindu monks, beginning with Swami Vivekananda, brought yoga to the West in the late 19th century. In the 1980s, yoga became popular as a physical system of health exercises across the Western world. Many studies have tried to determine the effectiveness of yoga as complementary intervention for cancer, schizophrenia, asthma, and heart patients. Definition of yoga will be the Sanskrit word yoga, which is yoke, to join, to unite, or to attach from the yut, already had a much more figurative sense. Whether yoking or harnessing of oxen or horses takes on broader meanings such as employment use, application, performance, to put something to some use. In Hindu philosophy, the word yoga is used to refer to one of the 6 orthodox schools of Hindu philosophy. Purpose of yoga is generally put, yoga is a disciplined method utilized for attaining a goal. In this sense, the purpose of yoga depends on the philosophical or theological system with which it is conjugated. In Shaiva theology, yoga is used to unite Kundalini with Shiva. Mahabharata defines the purpose of yoga as the experience of Brahman or Atman pervading all things, of Brahma or Atma pervading all things. In contemporary times, the physical postures of yoga are used to alleviate health problems, reduce stress, and make the spine supple. Yoga is also used as a complete exercise program and physical therapy routine. Part 2 is potential benefits of yoga for adults. Yoga as exercise or alternative medicine. Many yoga practitioners have reported musculoskeletal and mental health improvements, as well as reduced symptoms of asthma and asthmatics. Regular yoga practice increases brain GABA levels and has been shown to improve mood and anxiety more than some other metabolically matched exercises, such as walking. Second is the 3 main focuses of Hatha Yoga: exercise, breathing, and meditation, make it beneficial to those suffering from heart disease. Overall studies of the effects of yoga on heart disease suggest that yoga may reduce high blood pressure, improve symptoms of heart failure, enhance cardiac rehabilitation, etc. For chronic low back pain, specialist yoga for healthy lower backs has been found 50% more beneficial. There has been an emergence of studies investigating yoga as a complementary intervention for cancer patients. Yoga is used for treatment of cancer patients to decrease depression, insomnia, pain, and fatigue, and increase anxiety control. Mindfulness-based stress reduction. This program includes yoga as a mind-body technique to reduce stress. A study found that after 7 weeks, the group treated with yoga reported significantly less mood disturbance and reduced stress compared to the control group. Another study found that MBCR had shown positive effects on sleep, anxiety, quality of life, and spiritual growth. Yoga has also been studied as a treatment for schizophrenia. Yoga is found to improve cognitive functions and reduce stress in schizophrenia condition associated with cognitive deficits and stress-related relapse. The practice of yoga in Hindu tradition also has psychological benefits, allowing one to develop control over one's mind and body. Rather than adapting the sick or mental mind, traditional Hindu psychology focuses on enhancing the normal and healthy mind through the practice of meditative techniques such as yoga. Eighth, implementation of the Kundalini yoga lifestyle has shown to help substance abuse addicts increase their quality of life according to psychological questionnaires like the behavior and symptom identification scale and the quality of recovery index. Part 3, potential problems. Certain health problems associated with yoga have been brought to the attention of the general public. Yoga has been criticized for being potentially dangerous and being a cause for a range of serious medical conditions, including thoracic outlet syndrome, degenerative arthritis of the cervical pain, spinal injuries, vaginal tears, etc. The main reasons that experts cite for causing negative effects from the yoga beginners competitiveness and instructors lack of qualification are foremost. As the demand for yoga classes grows, many people get trained and certified to become yoga instructors. However, not every newly certified instructor can evaluate the condition of every new trainee in their class and recommend refraining from doing certain poses to avoid injuries. Children and yoga. Research in the countries which have advanced medical research and development facilities do not recommend yoga exercise for children under 16 because their bodies, nervous and glandular systems are still growing, and the effect of yoga exercises on these systems may interfere with natural growth. However, meditation and simple breathing exercises without breath holding are safe and can help children to manage stress, impulsiveness, and emotional situations. Now is the part 4 asanas, which we will continue in the next video. So thank you so much for watching till now. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. This was Aishwarya Chhabra signing off now.